Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a restore point and opening the tool. This ensures Windows can roll back system files without affecting personal data. First, save open documents and close apps because restores reboot the PC. Once done, press Start, type Create a Restore Point, select System Properties, and click System Restore. Make sure you're using an administrator account, otherwise the tool won't run. This initial setup reduces errors and prepares Windows to revert drivers and registry settings safely. Now choose the correct restore point. Pick the most recent one before the problem started because it balances recovery with minimal change. Click Next, then use Scan for affected programs to see which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. This is why you inspect it, to avoid losing critical installs. If you don't see useful points, check Show More Restore Points or consider uninstalling recent updates instead. Make that decision deliberately, since restores change system files and drivers. Confirm your choice and click Finish. The restore begins immediately and the PC restarts to apply changes, so don't interrupt it. After reboot, Windows reports success or failure. If it fails, reboot into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment and retry or use system restore from advanced options. Make sure to run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health afterwards to repair leftover file corruption. This combination often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.